time is 8:06. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all your items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned on. Please make sure you do have all your personal belongings before you exit the aircraft, and do be careful when you open the overhead compartments. We are arriving at our international terminal. Our gate assignment is M20. For those of you who use mobile passport on your smartphone or mobile device to expedite your entry through U.S. Customs, you may submit your data at this time. Everyone will go through Customs and Immigrations here. You will proceed to the checked baggage carrier and claim all your checked luggage. For those of you who are making a connection to another flight and are going to need to check your luggage to your final destination, please make sure that you go to the baggage recheck area before you go on to security. Remember that items containing more than 3.4 ounces of liquid, including those duty-free purchases you made, must be placed in your checked baggage. You are now free to use your mobile phones, small lightweight devices. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who find that your connections have already left and you haven't been able to look at your itinerary on the United.com app, we do have customer service agents available at the recheck counter. They'll be able to help you with your travel plans. Most of you should be able to pull up your itinerary in the United app, and you should see when you are booked and what your departure time is. Please keep in mind that Chicago has had storms all day long. A lot of the flights are not operating on time, so it's in your best interest to double check your device before you head on to your gate. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, your entire flight crew, we thank you for flying the friendly skies with us today. We do hope that you have had a pleasant experience, and we look forward to welcoming you again on another United flight.